So the Indian head coach Gautam Gambhir is back in news. Well, the Indian team has arrived in London for the Oval Test, which is the fifth and final test match of the series. And remember, India are 1-2 down in the series. So this is a must-win game for India. Why? Because if they lose this game, they would end up losing the series 3-1. But in case they win this test match, they will draw the series 2-2. Now, India arrived here for their first practice session at around 9:30 a.m. in the morning, and they were going through their paces, started doing the warm-up drills, and after that, the net practice began. And the square area of this oval ground was also some of these players were taking throwdowns, were doing throwdowns in that square area, besides the nets that are also there at the ground. So what happened is the curator of the ground objected to it. He said that you can't use that portion of the ground. So Gautam Gambhir got a little agitated with that, and Gautam Gambhir went up to the curator and told him that you're just a groundsman. You will not tell us what to do and what not to do. And he said that your job is to take care of this ground, prepare the ground for the test match, and that's it. So we will do what we want to do. So that is what happened, and it was a long exchange of words where, of course, Gautam Gambhir was heard saying a lot of things, primarily just telling the curator, the groundsman, that you are just a groundsman and you will not tell us what to do. In fact, his voice was pretty much audible from the stands outside the boundary ropes. So that is what happened. Of course, later the batting coach Sitanshu Kotak came and took the groundsman away and was trying to have a discussion with him as to what happened and what can happen. But then also Gautam Gambhir, who was standing at the non-strikers end, looking at a batsman, just looking at what they were doing, and he just saw the groundsman having a conversation with Sitanshu Kotak, and he again started saying the same things. Of course, he didn't like the fact that the groundsman objected to the fact that they were using the square portion of the ground. The square is basically the main wicket, and you have the area surrounded joining to the main wicket. So that is the area, and some of these groundsmen, they actually consider the ground very sacred, because that is their job, to prepare and take care of the ground. So he objected to it, and Gambhir, of course, after that did not take it too kindly, and Gambhir had not a brief altercation. It was actually a very long altercation with the groundsman. Of course, we couldn't hear much as to what the groundsman had to say, but Gautam Gambhir was clearly audible. So this series already, I think a lot of people have been watching the series very closely, the quality and the way the series has gone, but the series certainly has spiced up because of a lot of other things other than cricket. Of course, related to cricket, we know what happened at Lords on day 4 after Zach Crawley and Ben Duckett, their openers, they had to survive for 2 overs. They had 7 minutes and they came 90 seconds late, and the Indian team did not take that too kindly, and they we saw how Gautam Gambhir, how Shubman Gill reacted to it, and there also there was some exchange of words. There was an exchange of words between Shubman Gill and other Indian players with Zach Crawley, because somehow the English openers managed to play just 1 over when they could have actually played 2 overs. Shubman Gill later came for the press conference, and he made it very clear that England, he questioned the spirit of the game, England's spirit of the game. He said that they didn't want to play. He said that it's okay, nobody wants to play 2 overs if had it been anybody else, but the manner in which they were doing all those things was questionable. Then later in the next test match, that is the last test match in Manchester, what happened? The Indian players Ravindra Jadeja and Washington Sundar, they were closing in on a century each, and of course we all knew by then that the match will end in a draw. And Ben Stokes came and told Ravindra Jadeja to shake hands and just accept the draw. And he told them, would you want to get hundreds against the bowling of Harry Brook or Ben Duckett? So a lot of people had issues with that also, because everybody thought that Ravindra Jadeja and Washington Sundar had done enough to earn those centuries, to at least get 100 each on the scorecard. And now what? This series, of course, certainly has spiced up. We'll be there. Don't worry. We'll be there. Sports Today will be there reporting from the Oval Ground, because tomorrow again India will have a practice session and thereafter the match begins. Remember, the gap between 4th and 5th test match was just 3 days, and India somehow managed to keep the English players on the field for 257 overs. So certainly that will take a toll on the English players, especially their captain Ben Stokes, who didn't seem 100% fit, because on the 4th day England bowled 63 overs and Ben Stokes did not bowl a single over. Of course, the next day he did come out and bowl a few overs, but he didn't seem to be 100% fit. So we'll have to see what happens in the next test match, but certainly the series has spiced up. It has gained a lot of interest across, not just in England and India, but around the world in the cricketing fraternity. Not just what is happening on the field, but of course what is happening outside the field as well. So let us know what you feel about this fresh new controversy.